Alright guys, so here she is. She's back from paint. You seen her the first time. Don't forget, I'm Dave Mo. Dave Mo Flips. Please subscribe, hit that like button. Remember, we had some love over here on the bumper. Now it's all nice, it's one color. We didn't do any body work to her, just a quick spray and go. But for all intents and purposes, it's a nice, decent job. But now check this out. This is what you can come to expect. Overspray. So we'll just take that off. Usually they will take it off for you, but you know, there are certain instances where they don't. This being one of them. So when you get your car back from any of these, you know, Econo, Maaco, $200, $300 paint jobbies, do your homework. Get, you know, inspect it, make sure it's looking good while you're there, because it's a lot easier to have them look at it. So this is like right here, like if you're looking up here, you know, look over here, look over here, you know, like this could just be whatever. But again, you know, do your homework. Had I caught that tire issue, they would have taken care of it for me right there on the spot. But for me right now, this car in particular, it's good to go. I'll get the tire cleaned up, and that's it. Got a vicious dog over there, a little ankle biter. But you guys seen it. This is really just to show you what it is. I'll probably shoot a video real quick of getting that paint off for you, and you can see how easy it is. It's got to be cleaned, yes. My mechanic, my detailer did the wheels, and then, like, I don't know what they were thinking. But again, guys, there's an old saying, right? When the cat's away, the mice will play. And if you're not going to be there every step of the way to make sure your car is getting the treatment they need, chances are they're going to be coming up short. So keep that in mind, okay? So I'm going to keep this video short and sweet for you. This is strictly a $307 paint job. Did the whole truck, $307. I'll add the removal of the paint, and that'll be it. And I think I took you guys for a test drive already in this thing. If not, we'll do that. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, I apologize about that. I could not find my what's the thing called, a tripod. So I just used some brake cleaner. Alright. As you can see, all that white is gone now. It's pretty simple. It took less than 2 minutes. Sprayed it on, wiped it off. I'll put a little bit more dressing right there because you don't want to not have dressing. And that's it. You know, I mean, here, look in here. So you can catch that. That's overspray. Again, you know, you have to deal with that. I could always take a can of black spray paint and do it, but I'm not going that far. Just a little sneak peek for you guys for videos to come. There's the Jag, back paint, wheels, door, dashboard. That Cadillac, I don't know if you guys even seen it yet. That Escalade, we're going to redo the interior. And I think you guys have seen this Volvo already, but she's going to have some more videos coming out on her when all these things gone. So here we go, guys. All right.